Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last series of fixed protocol, we have already covered message structure, what are the fixed message components, examples, and what are the message types. So we will be looking today message type 35 equal to A, that is log on in detail. So field tag 35 is known as message type. If the value of tag 35 is equal to A, we consider it as a logon request. Logon 35 equal to A message authenticates a user establishing a connection to a remote system. The logon message must be the first message sent by the application requesting to initiate a fixed session. The heartbeat interval, that is tag 108 field, is used to declare the timeout interval for generating heartbeats, same value used by both sides, which both sides, the initiator and the acceptor. The heartbeat interval value should be agreed upon by the two firms and specified by the logon initiator and echoed back by the logon acceptor. So basically 35 equal to A message authenticates a user. Can be two scenarios, whether it is a valid user or invalid user. The acceptor validates it based on the configuration at the acceptor side, and the logon must be the first message sent by the application. Logon is used to initialize the session. So the heartbeat interval is used to declare the timeout interval, and the heartbeat interval should be agreed upon by the two firms. Let us see how the actual message, logon message, looks when it is sent from initiator to the acceptor. So first of all, who is the initiator? It will be a buy side trader. And who will be acceptor? It will be a broker. So this is how our logon message looks alike. We will go in detail of this fixed message. So as you all know, tag 8 is the begin string which identifies the beginning of the new message and the protocol version. So here our fixed message is using the protocol fix 4.4. Tag 9 is message length in bytes. Tag 35 equal to A message type, that is this is a logon, this indicates a logon message, that is an initiator is trying to initialize a session with the acceptor based on the fields 49, 56. What are 49 and 56? 49 is sender comp id. It is the value to identify firm which is sending message, so it will be identifying this initiator. What is tag 56? It is target comp id. It is the value to identify the target, that is the broker. Then this is 34, which is message sequence number. It describes integer message sequence number, that is the session 49 and 56. It will be initialized at sequence 1. Then tag 52 is the sending time. Tag 98 is the method of encryption. Here 0 indicates no encryption method. 108 is the heartbeat interval. One tag 141 is reset sequence number flag. It is a boolean field that indicates whether both sides of the fixed session should reset sequence number. So this is set to yes. So here the initiator will also set the sequence number to 1 and acceptor is also expected to set the sequence number as 1. Then tag 553 is the username, tag 554 is the password based on which the acceptor will authenticate whether it is a valid initiator. And as you all know, this is the trailer part. Tag 10 is 104. So the important tags for trader to establish connection are tag 49 sender comp id, tag 56 target comp id. So the sender information and where it wants to connect tag 49, what is the username and what is the password. It will be sending all this information to initiate a logon request to the acceptor. So there are two scenarios basically. Acceptor authenticates whether it is a valid initiator or invalid initiator. If it is a valid initiator, acceptor will send logon back to the initiator and the connection will be established. And if it is invalid, the acceptor will be sending a logout message. Logout message indicates 35 equal to 5. We will be seeing all this in our next slide. So this is authentication successful message. So initiator will be sending 35 equal to A to acceptor. All these fields we already saw in details. So acceptor will be validating based on 4956. Yeah, initiator is valid. So acceptor will be sending a logon message and yeah, the connection is established. So acceptor receives logon message and authenticates initiator based upon sender comp ID, fixed tag 49 and target comp ID tag 56. If initiator is authenticated successfully, then acceptor replies with the same logon tag 35 equal to A. Connection is successfully established and both parties will send heartbeat messages. Example 35 equal to 0 at specified in heartbeat interval to keep a connection alive. So once the logon is authentication is successful, acceptor will be sending back the logon to initiator. But to keep the connection alive, they will be sending 35 equal to 0. This will we will be looking in detail in our next series. This was the scenario where the authentication was successful. Let us see when the authentication is not successful. Initiator will be sending 35 equal to A to acceptor. Acceptor will be authenticating based on the fields 49, 56, whether it is the valid initiator, but this time it is invalid. So acceptor will be sending 35 equal to 5. That is a logout message. In this case, acceptor is not able to authenticate initiator. It will be sending a logout message. Connection will be terminated. Acceptor can also send logout message if it receives fixed tag message with sequence number lower than it is expecting. So hope this clears how 35 equal to A logon works in FIX protocol. We will be covering other message types in next parts. Thank you for watching.